There's a powder that makes plants grow faster and keeps pests away naturally. It costs nothing. You probably throw it away every week. And recently, science has proven exactly why this works. Let me explain. Recently, I came across a study from the University of Florida. They discovered that orange peels contain limonene, a compound that insects absolutely hate. But that's not all. Orange peels are also rich in potassium for strong stems, calcium to prevent blossom end rot, and nitrogen for lush green leaves. Here's the interesting part. Generations of gardeners before us already knew this worked. They just didn't have laboratories to prove it. Now, modern science confirms what old-timers have been doing for decades. And you can start using this today with something you throw away every week. The secret? Orange peels. Yes, the same orange peels you probably throw away every week. Simple, completely free, and more powerful than most fertilizers you can buy. Let me show you exactly how to make this. Step 1. Dry your orange peels. You have 3 options. Let me walk you through each one. Option 1. Sun dry them on a windowsill. This is the traditional method. It's the slowest, but it preserves the most nutrients. Takes about 3 to 5 days, depending on humidity. Just flip them once a day. Option 2. Use your oven at low heat. Set it to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 95 Celsius. Spread the peels on a baking sheet. Leave for 2 to 3 hours. Door slightly open. This is my favorite method when I'm in a hurry. Option 3. Use a food dehydrator. If you have one, set it to 135 degrees. About 6 to 8 hours, and you're done. The key with any method: they must be completely dry, crispy like chips. If there's any moisture left, you'll get mold. No heavy lifting required, no bending over garden beds, just patience. And your oven does the work. Step 2. Grind them into powder. Now, you have options here too. A regular blender works great. A food processor is even better. Or a coffee grinder, which is actually the easiest. Here's a tip. If using a blender, break the dried peels into smaller pieces first. This prevents the motor from overworking. Pulse. Don't blend continuously. Pulse for 10 seconds. Wait, pulse again. You want a fine powder, but don't stress about perfection. A bit coarse is perfectly fine. The soil will break it down anyway. Even with arthritis, this takes just 5 minutes. Sit comfortably at your kitchen table. Let the blender do all the heavy work. Now, why does this powder work so well? It's packed with potassium, which helps plants grow strong stems, calcium, which prevents diseases like blossom end rot, and natural citrus oils that insects absolutely hate. 3 benefits. 1 simple powder. 0 cost. Method 1. Apply directly to the soil. This is the easiest method. Here's exactly how to do it. Take about a tablespoon of powder per plant. For larger plants like tomatoes, use 2 tablespoons. For small herbs, half a tablespoon is enough. Sprinkle it in a ring around the base of your plant, not touching the stem, about 2 to 3 inches away. Then gently scratch it into the top layer of soil. Just the top ½ inch. No deep digging needed. What happens next is magical. Every time you water or when it rains, those nutrients slowly release into the soil. Potassium goes straight to the roots. Calcium strengthens cell walls. And here's the bonus. The citrus scent keeps ants away. Root aphids hate it. Even some slugs avoid citrus. This works for everything: vegetables, flowers, fruit trees, container plants. I use it on my tomatoes, roses, and citrus trees. Apply once every 2 weeks during growing season. In spring and summer, every 2 weeks. In fall, once a month is enough. In winter, give your plants a break. No digging, no heavy work. The powder mixes into soil naturally over time. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe for more garden secrets like this. Now let me show you the second way to use this powder. Method 2. Make a spray solution. This is perfect for fighting pests on leaves. Let me give you the exact recipe. You'll need 5 tablespoons of your orange powder, 2 liters of warm water, not hot, just warm, a large jar or container, a strainer or cheesecloth, and a spray bottle. Here's the process. Add the powder to warm water. Stir it well. Let it steep for at least 30 minutes. An hour is even better. The longer, the stronger. Then strain out the solids. You can use a coffee filter, cheesecloth, or fine strainer. Pour the liquid into your spray bottle. Now, how to apply. Spray both sides of leaves. Top and bottom. This is important. Most pests hide underneath leaves. Focus on new growth. That's where aphids love to attack. Any leaves that look stressed or damaged around flower buds. The citrus scent creates an invisible barrier. Aphids hate it. Spider mites avoid it. Even some caterpillars will stay away. And here's the beautiful part. Completely safe for edible plants. You could spray this on tomatoes and eat them the same day. No chemicals, no waiting period, no toxins. Reapply after rain or once a week during pest season. Now, before you start, let me save you from 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1, using wet peels. If there's any moisture left, you'll get mold. The powder will clump. It won't work. Make sure peels are completely dry, crispy. Mistake 2, applying too much. More is not better with this powder. Too much can temporarily change soil pH. Stick to the amounts I mentioned. 1 tablespoon per plant. That's enough. Mistake 3, expecting instant results. This is slow-release nutrition. You won't see changes overnight. Give it 3 weeks, then you'll notice. Stronger stems, greener leaves, fewer pests. Patience is key. This is natural nutrition, not magic. Last month, my neighbor Mary stopped by. She looked at my tomato plants and asked, "What's your secret? My tomatoes never look this healthy." I smiled, walked inside, and came back with a small jar of orange powder. "Try this," I said. I learned about it from a scientific study. 3 weeks later, she called me. "My plants are thriving. I can't believe it." Now she saves every orange peel. And so does her sister. But wait, there's even more this powder can do. Bonus benefit 1, soil improvement. Over time, orange peel powder makes soil softer. It holds moisture better. Earthworms love it, and earthworms mean healthy soil. Bonus benefit 2, fungal protection. The natural citrus oils help protect against powdery mildew, black spot, and some root rots. It's not a cure, but it's prevention. Bonus benefit 3, composting boost. Add the powder to your compost pile. It speeds up decomposition and adds nutrients to your finished compost. And here's something important for pet owners. This is completely safe around dogs and cats. No chemicals, just dried orange peel. Your pets can walk through the garden safely. Same for children and grandchildren. No toxic residues, No warnings needed. You're turning kitchen waste into one of the most powerful plant boosters nature offers. One more thing before we finish. How do you store this powder? Keep it in an airtight container. A mason jar works perfectly, or any glass jar with a tight lid. Store in a cool, dry place. Your pantry is fine. Kitchen cabinet works too. Just keep it away from moisture. Properly stored, this powder lasts 6 to 12 months, maybe longer. I make a batch at the start of each growing season. One batch lasts me all summer. Let me recap the simple process. Step 1. Save your orange peels. Step 2. Dry them completely. Step 3. Grind into powder. Step 4. Apply to soil or make a spray. That's it. 4 simple steps. Timeline to remember. Apply every 2 weeks during growing season. Expect results in about 3 weeks. Store powder for up to 12 months. Science has proven this works, and you can start today. So here's what I want you to do. Start today. Save your next orange peel. Don't throw it away, dry it, grind it, use it. In 3 weeks, your plants will thank you. Now it's your turn to put science to work in your garden. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more garden secrets every week, and leave a comment below. Which plant will you try this on first? I read every single comment. See you in the next one. Happy gardening.